Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can access the dark web securely. If you didn't already know, the dark web is an amazing way to actually browse privately, explore freely, and chat with people and access websites that are not available on the regular web. But the issue with connecting to the dark web is, although if you use something like Tor, you are going to be able to browse privately, but your ISP is still going to know that you've connected to this browser and to the dark web. So in order to be able to stop that, you need to use something like a VPN so that you can mask your IP address to your ISP so they don't know that you're connected to the dark web. Whether you're going on there to do something illegal or not, you don't want your ISP or anybody else finding out that you're accessing the dark web just in case they decide to report it for whatever reason. Now, the best way to do this and to access the dark web is to go to torproject.org and go to download Tor Browser and download for the device that you are on. Once you've downloaded Tor, before you open it, make sure to use a VPN of choice. For me, I personally love Surfshark, and I highly recommend Surfshark to anybody who's looking for an affordable, cheap, reliable VPN that has a ton of different countries and servers to choose from. All you need to do once you've downloaded Surfshark is select a location. Let's say you wanted to do Italy, Rome. You just simply connect to it by clicking on it, and that's going to actually change your IP address as if you are in Rome. So after a few seconds, you'll be able to connect to Surfshark's VPN in Rome, and it looks as if I'm in Italy. If I go to whatsmyipaddress.com, you can see that right now my ISP and my computer thinks that I am actually in Rome in Italy. And now you are ready to open the Tor browser. Simply open the browser as you normally would. And now your ISP has no idea that you are actually connected to the dark web via the Tor browser. So again, make sure before you open the Tor browser and connect to the dark web that you use a VPN like Surfshark. And if you want to get Surfshark, I will leave a link in the description down below. For you to get a discount, it will be the cheapest possible price that you can find for Surfshark. You can go ahead and check that out. Just make sure that you're connected before you open your Tor browser or any other browser that you're going to be using to access the dark web. I recommend the Tor browser. You can get it on torproject.org. That's their official website. Now, a VPN is useful for not only connecting to the dark web, but also unlocking your favorite shows on Netflix and other streaming services, and just keeping your data private and hiding your IP address from anybody who would be malicious and would be able to use your IP address against you. And for the affordable price of Surfshark, using my discount link down below, it is an absolute no-brainer for you to have a VPN on at all times. And the great thing about Surfshark is that you can use it on unlimited devices for just a small monthly fee of just a few dollars. So with that being said, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want more tips and tricks on security, and I'll see you in the next one.